Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we're going to guide you through the process of putting your NFT up for auction. So before we get started, do us a favour please folks and make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button right now. Right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so first off you need to connect the wallet where your NFT is located to the PrimePort.xyz website, which is our NFT marketplace. So click Connect Wallet. I'll choose MetaMask because that's my wallet. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon and then click on My Profile. In the Own section of your profile, you should see all your NFTs. So locate the one you want to put up for auction and then click on it. You'll now see two buttons called Sell and Auction. So click on Auction. You'll now see a form you need to fill out. So enter your start date and your start time. Choose an end date and an end time. And then you want to select the currency, which is WXDC, and you want to put in the price that you want your auction to start at. So I'm just going to enter 70,000 XDC because I don't want to sell my NFT. So the start price is what the auction will start at, and if you want to put a reserve price in, then click on the reserve button and enter your reserve price. So here my starting price will be 70,000 XDC, but the NFT won't sell unless it reaches at least 90,000 XDC. So when you're happy you filled this form out correctly, press the I agree to terms of service box and then press auction. Your wallet will then load and it will ask for a signature request. So you need to scroll all the way down on the text box. So you see how the sign button isn't available at the moment. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom on the text box to prove you've read the text, then the sign button becomes available. So I'm going to press sign to sign the request. And there you have it. It will say created auction. So now you can see my auction will end in 6 days and 23 hours. Down here you've got the bids section. So if you click on bids, this is where you'll see any bids for your NFT. Lastly, if you want to delete the auction for whatever reason, then just click delete auction and it will delete the auction. Right folks, that wraps up today's video and you should now be an expert regarding how to auction your NFT. Thanks for watching folks, and please do us a favour by liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. It'll only take you a few seconds. Also make sure you're following us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now. Come and join our Telegram community, follow us on X to stay up to date, and visit the Prime Numbers website to learn more about our ecosystem. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, trade well my friends, Prime Numbers for the win.